What's up guys, you're here with Ceramic Garage Inc. Behind me I got a 2024 Cybertruck. We're getting ready to completely disassemble the side view mirrors, the side fender flares, and the belt moldings. That way we get it prepared for a full color wrap change, which is gonna be a colored PPF. This thing is gonna look awesome once we're done with it. Inside the actual mirror area, there's a little flap that clips off. You got 3 torque bolts that we're gonna be taking off right now. The actual size is T40. I got one more screw off. Inside here, you'll notice there's a small clip area. That's where the actual wire is gonna be, the wire harness. That's where you'll disassemble the wire harness. Pretty simple. Left on one screw just till the last second, just in case. This is my first time removing it. I don't want to take off the last screw and it just completely falls off on me. We'll find out right now if there's something hooking it in. So actually, with all the screws out, it doesn't like fall off, so you don't have to like hold it. That's good to know. But now that the screws are off and you have the clip out, the wiring harness clip, thing pulls out pretty simple. We'll set it inside some mats, that way we don't scratch the mirror. The next thing we're gonna do is take off all of the belt moldings. We will roll the windows down in order to do that. Very simple belt moldings. They're just kind of slid into the panels. This makes it really easy to remove. They're very delicate, so you want to be careful not to bend them. So just slowly, you'll slowly slide them out. So we're just gonna pull it back a little bit. You want to make sure you don't bend it, so as you pull it out, you'll pull upwards. So we're gonna be taking off the fender flares. Do not take off these clips like I did, because I wasted a lot of time. It's not necessary. Those do not hold the fender flare. They're literally clipped in all corners. It's as simple as that. You'll have one plug, just like you do on any of the other Teslas, for the camera. Pick tool really helps taking off that piece. Going on to the back one, the only difference about this one, it does not have a camera on it, and it's actually 2 pieces. It's one piece down. This is where the charger port's at, so we're not taking that piece off. We will be taking that piece off. So once we got the fender flares off, you got these screws all the way around, one down there. You got these little plastic screws, very easy to disassemble. And then you're gonna have to take off these underside ones. That way everything comes off. You do have one clip, wired clip. You're gonna wanna make sure that that gets unclipped before you take everything off. Last thing we gotta do is take this clip off. You're gonna wanna pull that out. Once you push that down a little bit, slides right off. Pull that out. Go ahead and pull these pieces out. Don't forget, you always want to have your part bag for each side. That way you don't mix everything up. You'll know exactly what goes back where. It's easy to disassemble stuff sometimes, but putting it back together is a nightmare if you don't organize and label front driver fender flare. So we're on the rear left wheel. There's a little difference in it. Of course, you got the charge port here. Something we're not gonna completely take off because I don't want to electrocute and kill myself. But we'll take everything else off. We got these bolts. You have this one clip right here. You want to pull it right out a little bit. And you got the clips underside, just like every side. There's that one. Comes off fairly easy. Actually, let's see what it looks like taking it off. Well, maybe I won't kill myself doing this. Ow. Cool. Actually was easier than I thought. Cool. So we were able to take that charger port off too. Again, you got your parts back. All right guys, we're all done with the disassembly. These are literally the only tools that you need to take everything apart. You need a T40, you'll need a size 10, a drill, possibly a socket because the mirrors will be tight in the beginning, and you'll need a pick tool.